Thank you for joining the Creation Station as we celebrate Pi Day. Each Pie Beret kit will receive a 60% wool beret and laser-cut felt pie fillings for apple pie, key lime pie, blueberry pie, or cherry pie. Not included in the kit are scissors or permanent fabric glue or hot glue. Pi Day is an annual celebration of the mathematical constant pi. Pi Day is observed on March 14th since 3, 1, and 4 are the first three significant digits of pi. Pi stands for the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. The diameter is the distance across the circle. The circumference is the distance along the edge of the circle. When you divide the circumference by the diameter, you should get pi. Pi is also used in finding the area of a circle. This is when the equation pi r squared is used when finding the amount of space taken up by the shape. Let's start off with our apple pie beret. In the apple pie beret kit, you will receive one beret, one wavy pie crust, 6 lattice strips, 5 apple flesh pieces, 5 green apple skins, and seeds for your apples. For our first step, we will use permanent fabric glue to glue the lattice strips onto the wavy pie crust. Once you've glued down the lattice strips, go ahead and trim off the edges. As your glue dries, use a heavy book or foam book to add some weight and keep your pieces in place. Next, we'll take the apple flesh pieces and glue them on top of the green apple skins. Now carefully place your apple seeds onto the apple flesh and glue them down. Now add glue to the bottom side of your pie crust and place your beret on top, pressing firmly. Now glue your green apple slices in a circle at the middle of the beret and then let your beret dry for 24 hours. Now let's make a key lime pie beret. Inside the kit for the key lime pie beret, you will receive a green beret, a smooth round pie crust, 2 large green circles, 2 medium white circles, and green triangles for lime slices. You will also receive 3 whipped cream dollops and 1 dark green spiral that will be your lime zest. To begin, we'll add glue to our pie crust and then place our beret on top and press firmly. Next, we'll glue the medium white circles to the center of the dark green circles. Now, we will glue down the triangles to each of the white circles to make the appearance of lime slices. Now let's attach everything to our beret. we're going to glue down our lime slices and our whipped cream dollops, and then carefully add the lime zest. Remember to let it dry for 24 hours. Once your beret has dried for at least 24 hours, go ahead and remove the cardboard filling, and then it's ready to wear. Next, we'll create our blueberry pie beret. The blueberry pie beret kit will include one purple beret, a wavy pie crust, 6 pieces of lattice, 1 sheet of small blue circles, and then 1 sheet of purple bursts that will go on top of those circles. Make sure to gather your supplies, including scissors, permanent fabric glue or hot glue, and your pie kit. You'll also need a phone book or heavy book. Now let's make our beret. First, we're going to lay out the lattice and then trim off the edges. After trimming them, we're going to glue them down with permanent fabric glue. You may notice there's only 4 lattice pieces being used. You can use as many or as few as you want for your hat. Next, we're going to add the purple bursts on top of the blue circles. This will make them look like blueberries. You'll also need a heavy book to add some weight to keep them in place as they dry. After your blueberries are dry, go ahead and place them strategically on the beret. They're going to be peeking out from the open spaces underneath your pie crust. You might need to move some around to fit the area. Once you're happy, go ahead and glue down your pie crust. Let your beret dry for 24 hours. And for our final beret, we'll make a cherry pie. The cherry pie beret kit will include a red beret, a white yarn pom-pom, red cherries, green cherry stems, a wavy pie crust, and 6 strips of lattice. You'll also need a heavy book or phone book, a pair of scissors, and your permanent fabric glue. For our first step, we're going to lay out the lattice strips and then trim the edges before gluing it onto the wavy pie crust. Next, we'll glue the red cherries onto the green cherry stems. Now add glue to your pie crust and place your beret on top, pressing firmly. Add glue to the bottom of your white pom-pom and glue it to the center of the beret. And then add glue to the back of your cherries and glue them somewhere visible on your beret. Let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, go ahead and remove the cardboard from the inside and your berets are ready to wear. Thank you for joining us for our Pi Day celebration. Enjoy your Pie Beret for Pi Day.